Alright, so this is going to be a quick unboxing of the Insta360 X5. I literally just got this in the mail an hour ago. I ordered it probably around Friday, right after Thanksgiving, that evening. 2 days, it said, for shipping. Now, while I'm unboxing this, let me tell you why I even bought this. First off, I've never owned a 360 camera before. Not even quite sure how they work. I know they look cool on video. And recently I saw a video where they showed this at night. So I saw a video of this at night and it looks pretty good. So I figured, let's see what 360 cameras are all about. And normally when I buy a camera, at least the last couple of years, has been DJI. In fact, I'm filming this on a DJI Pocket 2. It's like my go-to camera right now. So I actually checked to see if DJI makes a 360 camera, and they do. But I compared the two. So I compared them watching videos, and apparently Insta360 is like the go-to camera for when it comes to 360 cameras. They're like the leading one. Here's my little thing here. So this is what we get for comparison, size comparison. It's not a very big box. I don't think the camera is going to be very big either. I hope not. The reason I actually bought this one, because this one is it seems to be the most expensive one now, the most top of the line one. They do have an Insta360 X4. I think it's X4 Air is the new one. I saw videos comparing the two, and for what I want it for, this one is probably the better one, and that's why I got this one. Really what I want to do is low light, and apparently this is going to do pretty well. But it also does what a 360 camera does, which is going to be interesting because, like I said, I've never gotten a 360 camera before, so I don't know how to use them. It's going to be a learning curve. But the reason, the main reason why I impulsively bought this one is because of the Black Friday deal that they had. So they dropped this from, I think it was like 500 bucks to 435, I think. Something like that, which is not a huge drop. It's still a good drop though. It's still kind of expensive, but they offered a bunch of free stuff with it, which kind of made it a little sweeter in that sense. So when I actually bought this, I used something that I never used before, which is an affiliate link. So I was watching a video on it, and the guy talking about it, he had an affiliate link that gets you a free microphone, specifically the transmitter, not the receiver, because the microphone they make with this for this camera doesn't need the receiver. The transmitter just automatically hooks up to this camera, and it's like a $50 purchase. So basically you get it for free. So it would be as if I bought the microphone and they took another $50 off of the camera, if you want to look at it that way. So I said, okay, let me use that affiliate link. A little worry about it though, because most of my purchases come from Amazon, because Amazon has really good return policies and the shipping is just amazing. So I said, let me take a chance with this guy. And it turns out when you click on the affiliate link, it sends you to their website, and the shipping fulfillment is through Amazon. So there's no real risk there. But on top of getting the sale price, on top of getting the free microphone, it also comes with a free hard case. That's nice. And then right when I was clicking on it so that I can put it in the shopping cart to purchase it, this little pop-up icon came up that said if you put in your email address, which I was going to do anyway, you get a free selfie stick, a free invisible selfie stick, which is like another 30 bucks. So I said, okay, free selfie stick, about 30 bucks. Free hard case, probably about 30 bucks too. And then the free microphone, 50 bucks. Plus it's on sale. So that's good enough of a reason. So that's what I did. So I ordered it. Trying to figure out how to open this thing. Give me a moment here. How the hell does this thing open? So it's not like your standard DJI stuff where there's usually a little sticker that you pull that off and then everything opens. This is weird. Oh, it's magnetic. Look at that. Okay, so that's a nice premium thing here. You just flip this open. And there you go. So you have this little indentation here for the camera, it seems. And this is what you get with just the camera. Now, the camera comes through Amazon if you wanted to, if you have an account, which I do. So I got it through Amazon 2 days. But all the free accessories, they're being shipped separately directly from whatever store they have, I guess. It's gonna be either FedEx or DHL, it said, but no mention of it being shipped yet. So I probably won't get it for a few days, if I get it at all. And if I don't get it, I will put an update somewhere saying, hey, they gypped me, they didn't send it. I'm sure they will. So this is the camera, and interesting. So it's, I would say, a little bit shorter than the Pocket 2. It's, I would say, about as wide, just the lenses stick out more, or thickness, I should say. It's about as thick. The width is definitely more. There's heft to it, but unless you're like a child or just really weak, this should not be a problem. Let's just be honest with each other. This is not something that, oh my God, if I hold it for too long, my wrist is gonna break. So it's fairly light. Now, I'm gonna put it back here because I'm very paranoid right now about this thing. I've seen some videos where they talk about how the lenses get messed up very easily. Even though they claim they don't, even though they claim they're very sturdy, they get messed up easily. They do make replacements that you can buy. You can buy a kit and just pop that out and put a new one in. I don't have that kit yet. I'm probably gonna get it, but for now I don't. Let's see what's in here. So it comes with a soft case, which, let's open this up and take out this soft case here. It's cute. It's a generic, it's like a generic case. There's stuff inside, it seems. Okay. So yeah, there's that. How protective it's gonna be, I really don't know. Does it even fit? I mean, it fits it tight, it looks like. Yeah. That's a snug fit. That's a snug fit. It will not offer any protection, I'll tell you that right now. Maybe scratch protection, but that's it. You drop this thing, it's gonna, this is not protecting anything. I guess it's really meant just so that you have something to put it up against when you put it down so you don't scratch your lenses. What do we got in here? Probably a lens cleaner, I'm assuming. One of those little microfiber cloths, probably. Yeah, I'm not gonna take it out completely, but that's what it looks like. When I'm ready to use the camera, I'll use that. And then you have your standard USB-C to USB-C cable, which is going to be used to charge it, I'm sure, as well as transfer any kind of files. There's a little Insta360 logo on it. It's cute. Don't know if it makes it any more quality than the standard stuff you can get, but that is cute so far. What else we got in here? We have, looks like I'm guessing this is the manual. There's some other stuff in here though, I could tell. FlexiCare. I never buy this stuff and then I always regret it later. I bought the drone, my 4K DJI Mini 4K, and about a month ago I tried to fly it and it just fell out the sky, just on its own. I don't know what's wrong with it. If I try to power it up, it gets hot real fast. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. Maybe it won't cost too much to send it in to get repairs. I doubt it's under warranty, but that's my own fault. Quick start guide, warranty cards, all this good stuff. We'll put in here. Oh, there's more stuff in here that I didn't notice. What is this? So we got stickers. I'm not gonna take those out. Now this, I did see on a video what this is. So this is a sticker and it's used to take out any kind of dust or debris that might end up inside the little vent part for the microphone that's built into the camera. So I guess like this part here. It's the only one I see is this. But it's supposedly, according to what I saw in the video, that's what it's used for. You can use it to like gently take stuff out. So they seem to be very thoughtful when it comes to their products and how they're used and maintaining them. Now I've heard only good things about this product. It's supposed to be premium, which is also why it's a bit of a premium price. But I've never used them because they're too expensive for me. But I took a chance just to see. Is there anything under here? Probably not. So yeah, that's what you get in the box. Now, I don't know if this deal is ongoing. It might be something that either ends by December or maybe they extend it. I'm not 100% sure. If you're in the market for it, I would suggest checking out videos to see if you can get an affiliate link for the free microphone. And yeah, just take advantage of the fact that, oh, here's the other. There it is. So that's where you would use this sticker for, this little which I already put away, is for cleaning that. Anyways, that's what I would do. If you were really have your heart set on one of these cameras, take advantage of the sale, but also take advantage of the fact that some of these YouTubers have affiliate links that let you get free stuff. The microphone, I think, would be the best deal because it's about 50 bucks. The selfie sticks, those are like 30 bucks. You know, so when you see those types of affiliate links, I'm not too excited for those. But like I said, free microphone, $50 microphone that you're probably gonna end up getting anyway. Yeah, that's a good deal. Again, I'll let you know whether or not they actually send it. But yeah, it's just the unboxing. Next video will eventually be me using it for the first time, but it is gonna be a learning thing, a learning curve here. Let's open this up here. Okay, so there's your USB-C port. I don't know what this is. Here's the battery. So you would squeeze these two, pull the battery out. It says it's supposed to be waterproof up to, I don't know, like, I think they say 60 feet. I would never go that far. Maybe, honestly, I'm not a diver. So 10 feet would probably be the deepest I go, maybe in a pool, maybe at the beach. But I also heard that using this underwater as is causes problems because of the way the lens reacts to the water itself. It's not going to leak or anything like that. It's just, it creates a weird distortion from what they say. And they make a case that covers this that's supposed to eliminate that distortion. Kind of defeats the purpose, I think. But if I ever decide to do scuba diving or snorkeling or anything like that, I would probably get it. But as it is now, I'm not going to use this for that. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to use this most likely on my motorcycle, most likely on top of my car driving at night, or on top of my motorcycle helmet when I'm using my EUC. I do hope the night video is as good as it seems to be, because I do like to do more things at night, but we'll see. So if you are interested in that, just look forward to some of those videos, hopefully soon. That's it for now. So if you enjoyed this video, found it informative, hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit subscribe, and with any luck, I'll see you in the next video. And until then, take care.